Here's a quick video on how to install a cable pass-through. I got it at Camping World, and I used this hole saw bit from Harbor Freight, and I stuck this thing in the middle, this little smaller bit, and that helped keep it centered. So there's my hole, and I just filed it so the shavings are gone, and then I'll vacuum that up so it doesn't cause rust. And so I painted a little bit, got the shavings off, and then I put some plumber's putty from Home Depot. It's like $3. I put a bunch of that on there, and then I got some little tiny screws, and so there's 3 screw holes there. I just popped it on there, and I got my holes drilled that way. Now all that's left is to just pop it on there and then put the screws in. I gotta run anyway, that's how to do it.